Welcome to Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a 2015 Honda 15 Reg, wheelchair accessible VW Caddy Maxi with a TBC conversion. It's a 5-seat plus wheelchair vehicle, and with just 20,000 miles from new, you'll see from this short video the vehicle's in grade A condition. A 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox, which is very popular. Smooth gear change, very reliable. This vehicle, they come standard extras. You've got electric windows and mirrors, heated mirrors. You've got your air conditioning up here, has a warning switch, radio CD, and there's the automatic gear selector there. So a nice charcoal and grey upholstery. As you can see, very little use, as you'd expect with a vehicle with just 20,000 miles on the clock. Being a 2015, it also comes with Isofix seating on the rear seats. So on the earlier models, they're not as standard. So here we have Isofix seating, just slots under there, so no problem there. As you can see, the bodywork's in great condition, nice metallic brown. If you said that without seeing the paintwork, you'd think it was a nasty colour, but it's actually quite a lovely colour, very popular when we've got them in stock. As you can see on here, we've got the bifolding ramp. It's not a fold flat, so if you are looking for a fold flat, we do have those in stock as well, but this is a bifold. Very easy to use and can even one hand. So that red lever moved over releases the latch, and then out with the counterbalanced ramp there. Very easy, effortless. Has a 4-point securing for the wheelchair as standard. So the two silver boxes at the back there, just behind the middle row seats, they're the electric wheels, so they'll come out secure to the chair, and then these two here will connect to the back of the chair. So 4-point securing, very easy to use. We'll give you a full demonstration if you come to see us, or if we bring the vehicle to you. We can also make a video and show you how to use it for future reference if you ended up buying a vehicle and you just needed a gentle reminder every now and again. So whatever you need, we can help you with before, during and after the ownership. If you don't need the vehicle anymore, we offer a buyback promise, so you don't have to stress about selling the vehicle. We'll always offer to buy the vehicle back, providing it's been maintained in the way that we'd expect it, the way we originally buy the vehicle. So as long as you service them, look after them, we don't expect an immaculately clean car. It's used at the end of the day. We just ask you that you've looked after it, and then we can price it accordingly. So everything we do is designed to make your life as easy as possible. So just zooming in on here, you'll see just 20,000 miles on the clock. Even on the driver's side, everything's all nice and clean and very little wear on there. You've got height adjustment for the driver's seat there. Your electric windows and heated electric door mirrors. If you're looking for finance, we can finance. You can do that either through the website. It's with a company called Motonovo. We do use other providers if you require. But we tend to use Motonovo because they're the quickest and easiest route to finance. Also, we can offer you part exchange. Doesn't have to be wheelchair accessible. We'll take any vehicle in part exchange. So if you need any more information, you can give us a call on 01634 716 911. You can look on the website, which is www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk, or if you prefer to visit us in person, then pop along and see us at Cooling Road Service Station, Wainscott in Kent, ME2 4RL. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you soon.